There are a number of ways that you can customize and personalize the Cephable interface to your own preferences. For example, here in my general app settings for my local app, you can do things like change the position of the Cephable panel from the right or left side. You can pick and choose what features are visible or not. You can choose to have Cephable automatically start. You can also turn off and on the command feed as well as change its transparency and do things like change between light and dark mode or using your system settings here too. The other thing you can do is zoom in and out between these two different windows using the keyboard shortcuts of Control plus and Control minus if you're on Windows, or Command plus and Command minus on Mac. These zoom settings can be different between the panel and the dashboard window. For example, here in the dashboard, if I hit Control and plus to zoom in, I'm making all of the different pieces a little bit bigger. I can also hit Control 0 to set it back to the default. These are also in respect to your system level settings on your operating system for your Windows settings or your Mac OS settings based off of your different zoom levels. So it's more or less changing how much more zoomed in or zoomed out you want it to be. I can do the same thing over on the panel, or I can do things like zoom in and zoom out using those same shortcuts. And it'll make things either bigger or smaller depending on my preferences. And just like the other window, I can also hit Control and 0 in order to reset it to the default. So customize the Cephable interface to your own preferences, change your different zoom levels, and those will be remembered every time you come back into the Cephable app.